Hello traders and welcome to tradingwithbill.com. Wow, we're on a Wednesday, April 5th. Hey, 10 days and got to pay your taxes in the United States. Just thought I'd remind you all. Actually, I think it's the 17th this year. I'm not sure, but I think it's the 17th. But living in Thailand, I get an extra 60 days. All right, traders, what's going on? Well, I got to be honest with you. The markets are just horrible, slow. There is no movement. Look at these charts, my friend. Look at this. This is the euro dollar. This thing's done nothing. What, 61 to 78? Are you kidding me? That's 28 pips we moved in like 13, 14 hours. It's done nothing. The markets are just flat. Take a look at this Great British Pound US dollar. Nothing, just sideways. Hasn't moved at all, my friends. The markets are horrible. Here's yesterday's trade plan on the, well, this is today's trade plan on the Euro Aussie. We'll get to that in just a moment. However, let's jump over to the calendar today and let's see what's going on. Let's take a look at some numbers. Just let me kick this in here. I will tell you, it's no secret, I use investing.com for my news and my indices and all those numbers that I give you. So, like every day, they take like 10 minutes to load my platform because they want me to pay their $30 a year for no ads. Well, I gave in today. I gave them the $30. Just so they'd stop bothering me. It's worth it. So anyhow, I got to be honest with you. It's really nice having clear screens with not all these ads coming in and out. It's really great. It's worth the $30, trust me. All right, let's take a look at what we got here. Let's get to a Wednesday. This week is just flying by. So what do we have? Oh man, Aussie. They had AIG Services Index. Really nothing out of the Aussie today. Absolutely nothing. Going into London, we have German Composite PMI. Then we got German Services PMI, which is moderate impact news event. But the big one's going to be Services PMI for March, and that's a high impact news event. And that comes out at 4:30 a.m. on Wall Street. All right, getting into the U.S. session, there's nothing else. Getting into the U.S. session, the big one is ADP non-farm employment. You know what that means. Yes, we have non-farm on Friday. Good day to take the day off, in my humble opinion. Don't trade NFP, folks. I don't trade NFP. You just balance, unless you're good at it. If you're good at it, go for it. You know what? 7 years ago, I was an ace at it. Today, I just can't trade it anymore. I end up losing my tail because it's whipsawing all over the place. And you know, back in the years, it used to move 200 pips, right? Now it moves 50 or 60, and that's like it. Like, no big deal, right? It's not worth getting whipsawed for 50 pips. All right, so, and nothing against people who trade NFP, by the way. I think if you can do it, man, my hat's off to you. I'm envious, really. What else do we got? We got Market Composite PMI for March out of the U.S. We got Services PMI, like I told you. Then we got ISM Manufacturing PMI for March. That's another high impact news event. That will come out at 10:30 on Wall Street. That's 9:30 p.m. in Bangkok, Thailand. All right. Yes, we have no time changes in Thailand. The time is the time is the time. We don't do the daylight savings thing or any of that stuff. So that's what's going on. What's going on in Asia? We got FOMC meeting minutes coming out. Now, that'll be 2 a.m. on Wall Street, so I will not see that. That is sleep time for me, so I won't see that. But that's at 2 a.m. on Wall Street. All right, let's go back to the top of the page here, and let's get over and let's take a look at our indices. S&P futures, negative 0.14%. NASDAQ futures, negative 0.12%. Dow 30 up 0.19%. Now, that's the second day the Dow has been on the upswing. The VIX is negative 4.77%. It's back down between that 11 and 12 area. Now we understand why we're seeing on the charts what we're seeing, right? It's just low volatility, folks. Minimal amount of people in the markets, which is a shame. Because if you think about it, we've only got like 9.5 weeks left, 10 weeks left, and then we got summer break coming. You get into mid-June, it's over, right? It's over. We're into summertime trading. Now, summertime trading is not as bad as Christmas trading, but summertime trading, it does get pretty slow. Dollar index, still above the 100. It's 100.33, but it was down yesterday, 0.04%. No big deal. Don't even worry about it. All right, let's take a look at commodities real quick. Let's see what's going on. Again, my big one is oil, but gold was down 0.10%. It's still 1,257, right? 1,257, so hasn't moved that much. Crude oil WTI is up 0.59%. Actually, above the 50 mark is at 51.33 as I speak. Brent oil is up 0.42%, and that's hit 54. Again, oil's in the up move. Okay, good stuff. U.S. coffee is up 0.11% at 137.77, basically hanging out in that area for quite a while. All right, that's it for that. Let's take a look at the charts. Let's just really quick go through. Here's yesterday's euro dollar trade. Look at this. Just absolutely nothing here, traders. Just sideways. It's just been sideways for like almost 2 days now. It's like ridiculous. This is the 31st here. Look at this. Now, remember, my charts are synced to my time zone, so I'm 11 hours ahead of Wall Street. So yours might not match up, and that's why. Yeah, so this is just like what do you do here? Like nothing. Take a look at the pound. You know, the pound came down. Now it's sitting here. This has got to be the last day, right? This is the 5th. This white line is the 5th after midnight my time. Here's the 4th. Again, came down here a little bit, but it's sideways. It's not doing nothing. This jump down was it. That's it. Hasn't done nothing. Really slow, folks. Really slow. All right, let's take a look at today's trade. Today's trade, we're looking at the Euro Aussie. Now, traders, I got to tell you, I really enjoy trading this trade. This pair. I like really enjoy this. This is just the nice thing about this pair is most of the time, this pair will trade 100 to 130 pips a day. We haven't seen that lately, but on the norm, it normally trades over 100 pips a day. However, I like this. We are at resistance up here, folks. Look at all these dojis. Indecisions. The bulls are running out of steam. So when I looked at this trade this morning, I looked at this trend line. And I said, you know what? This is like a 6.5 touch trend line, but it hasn't broken it. Now, when I mean broken, it hasn't closed below it. It is not closed below this trend line yet. And I did this about 5 hours ago. So I did it over here somewhere. I did this at 6:15 a.m. my time, right? So this has not closed below this. So we have no trade. We're not going to buy this. I don't care if it goes up 200 pips. We're not buying this. We're at resistance, folks. We sell at resistance. We buy at support, right? Sounds logical. Is logical. Just old school trading of Forex. You know what I'm saying? Just go with the flow. All right, so we want to close below this. We'd love to get in this at 40.90, right? Below that 41 level. And that's what's bouncing, right? It's this 4100 level, which is here, my friends. If I could just get this to work. Yeah, all right, so here's the old 4100 level. Okay, so we want to sell below that. We want to make sure we're below that. And then we'll look for bearish candlestick formation, and we'll take it to the downside. Confirmation, go to a 15-minute chart. Or if you want a 15 or a 30-minute chart. If you want a 30-minute chart, go to a 15-minute chart. I trade an hourly chart. I go to a 30-minute chart if I need confirmation. I got to be honest with you, traders. Most of the time, I just stare at my 1 hour chart. I get in when I get in, right? But confirmation's a good idea. Because I'm at my desk so long and I do a lot of other things, reference trading, I'm here, so I can always go back and I can take a look at it. And we're looking to take profit at 40.10, folks. 40.10. So this is like an 80 pip trade, 85 pip trade if it works. But I like the Euro Aussie. I do like the Euro Aussie, but the Aussie had really bad data yesterday. Really bad data and dropped like a rock. Let's take a peek at that. Anyhow, this is the trade plan for today, my friends. Simple. Breaking the trend line, retest, most likely. Bearish candle, let's sell it. Okay? Really nice trade today. I really didn't want to spend this long today, but I think it's good that we look at this Aussie. Look at this Aussie. This is an hourly chart, right? Look at this dump here. The Aussie is so weak, right? And on our trade, we need the Aussie to be strong. But it's a commodity pair, so, you know, we'll see what happens here. But again, there's no price action here. Don't push yourself into trades because you're bored, okay? Set your limits, set your entries, set your profits, set your stop loss. If you don't, you know, put in to execute the order put in your alarms. I'm an alarm guy. I put alarms on everything. Okay, alarms go to my cell phone, my iPad. Everything goes to my alarms. Okay, because I want to see it. If I want to position in the middle of the night, I'll put an actual order in. But other than that, I use alarms on everything. Okay, everything gets an alarm. All right, traders. That's about it for me today. Not much going on in the markets. I don't like that be careful thing, but just be alert. You know, be on it and be cautious. That's a better word. Be cautious. Okay, traders. Great to be with you. Thanks for your emails, your support. You all are great. Have a great trading day, and we'll see you tomorrow, same time, same place. Patty at Thailand. Take care, my friends. See you next time. Bye-bye.